I welcome you to the second part of this topic. We're talking about shelf seas, and I give you an introduction to different aspects of shelf sea oceanography. Okay, so what are shelf seas? Shelf seas are regions shallower than 200 meters in general, regions of the ocean, and these regions comprise coastal oceans and estuaries. Okay, whenever I start this module, I always become sedimental because we used to have a boat here as part of the Earth Sciences group, the Hero, and this is a photo of the Hero. And I actually used to take students for measurements as part of this topic in the past. Okay, and there's one thing I learned because I came to Australia some 20 years ago, and I thought, in Australia, everybody's used to waves, they all surf stuff. You know what, a stereotype. But anyway, as part of these trips, I actually learned that quite a number of students are not used to sea conditions on a vessel. So at times it was even hard to take samples. You know, we used to get some samples with a bucket. At times it was hard to actually be able to use these samples because of pollution from students throwing up over the side of the boat. Anyway, so unfortunately we don't have access to marine vessels any longer, and this is just, I have some good memories using students out with the boat. It is lots of fun. So what you learn in the following lectures is just listed here. Okay, indeed, this first lecture is a motivation, an introduction, but also a summary. And then we talk about coastal ocean. I introduce you to storm surges and Kelvin waves. We talk more about coastal upwelling. We talk more about density fronts and marine heat waves. And then we focus on estuaries, classification and examples, transport time skills like flushing times, okay, pollutant transport and sediment transport. And you also learn a little bit more about the oceanography of South Australian Gulf. Okay, so let's get started.